Namaste students, this is your Monica ma'am. Welcome to Social Studies class. This PPT is prepared by myself Monica and presented by Miss Indumati, Miss Sumati and Miss Katambri. In today's video, we are going to learn about Class 4 Subject Social Studies Lesson number 6 Earth Our Home October month 3rd week PPT number 3 Earth Our Home. Expected learning outcomes. Students will be able to identify that Earth is made up of air. Describe about atmosphere and biosphere. Then compare and contrast lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere on Earth and predict what will happen to the biosphere if any of the other spheres fail to exist. Recap. In last video we learnt about hydrosphere. Water bodies on Earth constitute the hydrosphere. Most of the Earth is covered by oceans. That is 5 oceans. The Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Southern Ocean. Now answer the recap quiz. Which is the largest ocean on Earth? Good. Pacific Ocean. Which ocean merges with Pacific, Indian and Atlantic Ocean? Good. Southern Ocean. In today's video, you are going to learn about atmosphere, that is air. Before that, shall we do an activity? Good. Hold your thumb upright in front of your mouth. Breathe in deeply. Now gently blow outwards towards your thumb. What do you feel now? Good. You may feel cool or warm air on the thumb or tingling on the thumb. What you felt blowing your thumb is known as air. Air is all around us. It surrounds Earth like a blanket. This blanket of air that surrounds Earth is known as atmosphere. It contains many gases such as nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. The atmosphere is just as important as lithosphere and hydrosphere for life on Earth. We need to protect all those things to make life possible. Sun rays can sometimes be harmful to life on Earth. One of the many layers of atmosphere called the ozone layer helps to protect Earth from the harmful effect of these rays. Activity. Observe the pictures. Identify and write if each image is associated with lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. Look at the first image. This image associated with good hydrosphere. What about the second image? Yes, lithosphere. Now third image. Good atmosphere. Now come to the fourth image. This also atmosphere. What about the fifth image? Yes, lithosphere. Finally, sixth image. Great. Hydrosphere. 3 spheres. Comparison of the three spheres of Earth. List the similarities between the three spheres in the center triangle. In other triangles, make the list of difference of these three spheres. Lithosphere. It comprises all land on Earth, includes continents, hills, mountains, and ocean floors. Hydrosphere. It comprises all water on Earth, includes oceans, seas, rivers, snows, icebergs, etc. Atmosphere. It is the blanket of air surrounding the Earth. These are the difference. Similarity. Land, water and air are all present on Earth. Together they make life possible on Earth. All the three are very essential to life. Next topic is biosphere. This is biosphere. Biosphere. From the massive blue whale to the giant trees, from the tiny ant to the grasses, and as humans, Earth is home to all living things. The biosphere is made up of the parts of Earth which supports life. Since living things can be found on land, in water and in air, all these places form a part of the biosphere. Lithosphere provides soil for living things to live, and hydrosphere provide water, and the atmosphere provide air to breathe. Thus, all the three are important for biosphere to exist. Activity. Read the following sentences and pick out the words that represent the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Complete the table. Here are the sentences. Rising mountains cool the air and force rainfall from the clouds. The rainfall feeds the forests which are filled with trees and the rivers which are filled with fish. Now, pick out the word that represent lithosphere. Good. Mountains, forest, trees. Next, pick out the word that represent hydrosphere. Yes, very good. Rainfall, rivers. And for atmosphere, air, clouds. Finally, for biosphere, rivers filled with fish, forest filled with trees. Next, what would happen to the biosphere if the lithosphere, hydrosphere or the atmosphere disappear? Yes, if the three spheres disappear, there would be no biosphere. If there is no biosphere, it would mean that there would be no life on Earth, no trees or birds or animals. We are all part of the biosphere. We need to protect the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere to maintain the biosphere so that we can eat healthy food, drink clean water and breathe clean air. Recap. In today's class, we learnt about atmosphere, the air that surrounds Earth, and biosphere, that is the part of the Earth that supports life. Thank you all. See you in the next video.